So, you already know about index funds, robo-advisors, and savings accounts. But what if I told you there are other ways to invest small amounts of money that hardly anyone talks about? Today, I'm sharing 5 lesser-known investment options you can get into with just a few pounds or dollars. And these could be great ways to diversify your money in 2025. First up, peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend your money to individuals or small businesses through an online platform, and they pay you back with interest. It's kind of like being a mini bank. You can start with as little as £10 or $25 on platforms like Funding Circle in the UK or Lending Club in the US. It's not risk-free, but the returns can be better than your typical savings account, and you're helping real people and businesses grow. Next, REITs, or real estate investment trusts. These let you invest in property without actually buying a house. When you buy into a REIT, you're owning a slice of a portfolio of real estate, commercial buildings, apartments, retail spaces, you name it. Some REITs even pay monthly dividends. You can invest through stock apps like Trading 212, Robinhood, or Vanguard with just a few pounds or dollars. It's a great way to get real estate exposure without needing thousands up front. Another option: dividend reinvestment plans, also called DRIPs. Some companies let you buy shares directly from them and automatically reinvest your dividends to buy more stock, often with no extra fees. It's a low-effort way to grow your position in companies you believe in, and it builds up over time, especially when you're starting small. Here's one that's a little more out there: digital collectibles and alternative assets. There are platforms that let you invest in rare sneakers, vintage comic books, classic cars, or even music royalties, all digitally. You can buy a small fraction of these assets and own a piece of something unique. Apps like Otis, Rally, or Royal make it pretty simple. Just remember, this one's a bit more speculative, so it's best to treat it like a side bet, not your main strategy. And finally, crowdfunding small businesses. If you've ever wanted to invest in startups or local brands before they blow up, platforms like CDRs, Crowdcube, WeFunder, or Start Engine let you do just that. You invest a small amount, and in return, you get equity, actual ownership. It's high risk, but if one of those companies takes off, the reward could be huge. The bottom line? You don't need to stick to the usual advice when it comes to investing small amounts of money. There are creative, accessible, and sometimes even fun ways to grow your money. Just start where you're comfortable and do your research. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing tips, and let me know in the comments, which of these would you try?